You can order the battery used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. You should now be able to see the battery, which is located to the left of the engine compartment. To remove it, you need to unscrew the engine compartment reinforcing bar above the battery. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 13mm socket, unscrew the two reinforcing bar bolts. To remove the battery, you have to unscrew the battery clamp. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 13mm socket, fully unscrew the holding bolt of the battery clamp. You can now remove the battery clamp. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, since the whole car is connected to the negative terminal. This can create sparks that are dangerous to your car's electrical system. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid any untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. On this vehicle, the battery is equipped with a power distribution block on the battery. Lift the cover. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 13mm socket, unscrew the nut holding the negative terminal of the distributor on the battery. Then remove the terminal. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab and pulling it. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Then move the power distribution block aside. To make battery removal and installation easier, you can move the coolant reservoir aside. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two bolts holding the coolant reservoir. Remove the bolts using a magnetic extender. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Then shift the hole. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You can order the battery used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connections, but also to limit oxidation development. Take the new battery. Put the battery in place. Then screw the two coolant reservoir retaining bolts back on. If you want to know which parts and tools we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Clip the power distribution block back onto the battery. Plug the electrical connector back in. Return the wire to the negative terminal. Then screw the nut back on by hand. Finish off tightening with a ratchet. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a 10mm socket. Then put the negative terminal back on. Insert it fully before fixing it in place. Put the reinforcing bar back in place. Then screw the two reinforcing bolts back in. Put the battery clamp back in place. Then finish off the tightening with the ratchet. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.